For this question, the first thing you want to do is you want to notice that you can split this up into two separate intervals, and that is by the sum rule for integration. So this plus sign, we can split it up into the integral from 7 to 11 of 4f of x dx plus, and then a separate integral for the second term in that sum. So from 7 to 11 g of x dx. Okay, so that's our first step. And again, what we're trying to do is take this integral and convert it into something that looks like f of x, and of course there should be a dx there, or something that looks like just the integrand of g of x. So again, we want just the integral of f or just the integral of g. So when you look at this first integral, the main issue is that you don't have just f, you have this little 4. So you can pull that constant out in front of the integral. So what I can do, because it does not depend on x, I can take this 4 and bring it out in front of the integral. So that's going to give us 4, and then the integral from 7 to 11 f of x dx. Now that 4 is only in front of this integral sign, so it's not going to be distributed to this next integral. Now this next integral from 7 to 11, we know that that is equal to 8. So you could just go ahead and plug that in immediately, or you could write this down again. So this integral, by the given information, is given to be equal to 8. All right, and by the same token, what we can do is we can now use the fact that this 7 to 11 integral, that is given to be negative 4. So we can substitute in that this 7 to 11 integral is negative 4, and then we still have the 4 from the 4 that we pulled out in front. So again, this integral is getting replaced with the negative 4. So you will have 4 times negative 4 plus 8, so you just have negative 16 plus 8, which gives you negative 8. So your final answer would be negative 8.